Hey guys, so bear with me, the video came out sideways for some reason, but I really wanted to show you this repair. Something fell in his garage and smacked the side of this quarter panel of a 1980s Jaguar. Really made a high area above the quarter panel, even chipped the paint a little bit. So we're gonna go in there, make this thing flat. I believe we can get that body line reshaped and knock down the high area above the quarter panel. So here we are in normal view. Came out great, so everything except for that little chip there at the top. He does not want to get this repainted, so we were able to use the paintless dent repair method to do it. Customer is very happy, kept the pristine condition of this vehicle. This is what we can do here at Dent Pro of Sacramento, so don't hesitate to give us a call.